In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the side step end caps on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Underneath there's a screw. We're going to use a 1/4 inch socket. Take that screw off, loosen it up. Take that out. Taking a pry bar, I'm just going to give it a tap with a hammer and just pop it off. I'm just going to use a vacuum, just vacuum that up. Take the cap, line it up, just tap it on. You can use a rubber mallet. Gently tap it on. Take that screw, line it up. Get that started and tighten it down. Snug that down. You can do the same for the other ones.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.